Hello guys, this is Srinivas the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve this SKIDMARK daily challenge of 24 May 2021. Yeah, this is the function. We have to create a custom compare function in C programming language which will compare all the uppercase alphabets in the string 1 and string 2. If the order and occurrence are same, then the program must return 1, else the program must return 0. Here we have A, B, C up to I, and the uppercases are A, E, F. In this case, the uppercase value in string 2 is A, E, F. The both characters and their occurrence are matching, so we have to print 1. In this case, we have elephant, which contains L, E, T, let. But here we have G, the upper character is ET and L. The occurrence is not matching, even though the characters are matching. So we have to return 0. Here this is numbers separated by hyphens, but we have to only concentrate on uppercase values, right? So N matching with N, U matching with U, M, B, E, R, S also matching. So we have to return 1. Simple program. So we'll directly solve into programmatical way. Here this is the custom compare function. In this function we have to return 0 or 1 according to the condition. First we are initializing some values for iteration. Int I equal to 0 for string 1 and j equal to 0 for string 2, and also we have to check for the characters uppercase, right? So UI, which is nothing but uppercase index for 0, and uj for string 2. Here I'm using while I smaller than string len of string 1, and if string 1 is upper is greater than or equal to a, and string 1 is less than or equal to z, which is nothing but uppercase character. If string 1 uppercase character is found, we have to iterate till the string 2 uppercase character, right? So for that I'm while j smaller than string len of string 2, and if string 2 of I is what, string 2 of j is greater than or equal to cap a, and smaller than or equal to cap z, it's a uppercase character which is found. We have to check for the value. If string 1 of I equal to string 2 of j, then just break after iterating the value of j, else return 0. If both are not matching, we have to return 0, right? That's why I'm return 0 here. For the sake of iteration, I have to include j plus plus here. This is the inner loop, and this should be I plus plus for outer loop. So if I run this program, we'll get for the 0. So anything other than this will be 1. Let's see. Yeah, for this I have to. Okay, don't get mad. Hello, and this is hi. So hopefully I will get 0 for this. Yeah, I got it. This time I have to include this string function, string dot h for this string length comparison. Hopefully you won't get this error in SKIDMARK because you can't able to import this. And then if I run this program for something else like hello and hoy holy h o l I, for this also I will get 1. See, here h and o are matching but the l is not matching, but even though this is not matching I am getting 1. This is because I have to count the character also, uppercase characters. For that what I am going to do is run a loop while j is smaller than string length of string 2 because this string 1 loop will run till these characters are what, till all the characters are getting captured, but in this case it will run only if there any uppercase character is found. For this case here the hello will be read fully, but at this point o the inner loop will stop at this point. It won't check for the l and I, it just stop at h and o alone. So to get rid of this I'm running a additional loop. In this loop I will check for the upper character count. If string 2 of j greater than or equal to a and string 2 of j less than or equal to z uj plus plus, and this would be j plus plus. Inside this I have to increment ui plus plus. At that point I have to reinitialize j value as 0. So if I make a condition ui equal to uj, then return 1, else return 0. So this time we'll get 0 for so this time we will get 0 for hello and holy. H E L L O, H and O are caps, H O L and I will get 0. See, that's it guys, that's it for today's video. Here is a code for your view. Seems like a nasty problem, but it's a simple one. First I'm checking the upper cases in string 2, then I'm comparing all the upper cases in string 1 with the string 2. If those things are matching I will continue this iteration. If those are not matching, at that moment I am returning 0. So at the end I am also checking for the all characters are matching with ui, which is nothing but a string 1 and string 2. If that case is true, return 1, else return 0. Hopefully you like this video. I'll see you soon with something else. Bye.